everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a February favorites, and I realized there's only 28 days of February, which I should know already, but I wanted to get this out for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Before it starts, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel for more of my content. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Let's get right into it. I'll start with like home decor because I've been on a home decor kick. If you guys haven't seen my last video, check out the iCard. I did a shop with me video, and in that video I picked up these, and I'm like obsessed with these little things. My son named this one Bootsy and this one Betsy. And they're just cute, like mossy green little bunnies, and I wanted to decorate for spring, so I ended up picking up these two, and they were only $7.99 on sale for 40% off at Hobby Lobby. So super cute and super cheap, and I just love these little decor. The only thing is that they do kind of shed, but I just think they're so cute. Like I have them over there on my little setup by the mirror, and I just think that they're super adorable. Okay, the next thing, I got these two, like you guys can see how big they are. It doesn't even fit in the frame. Like look at this. Huge pillows. I'm gonna just hold one, but literally it's really big. I don't know what size it is. It's probably like 24 by 24 pillows, and we got these from, where the heck did we get these from? Burlington, I'm pretty sure, or Marshalls. I'm pretty sure we got these from Burlington, but it came in a set of 2 for $25. And then we were at Target the other day, and they had same size pillows, similar feel, super soft, and they were $29 for one pillow. And I was like, I'm so glad we got these. And these have a zipper on it, so you could just take it off, throw it in the wash, and put it right back on. And I have these on my bed, and I just had to get them because they're super soft and they're gray, and I'm obsessed with anything gray, so had to get 2 of these giant pillows for $25. That's such a steal. If you watched any of my other favorite videos, you guys know that I always put these candles in, but they're new scents at Walmart: Tiki, Colada, and Sunny Sangria. If you watch my vlog channel, you probably have seen me show this because I did a little mini haul. Obsessed. I love these candles, and they're less than $5 at Walmart. This one smells just like a pina colada. Or if you've ever been to New York, you know the little icy carts, and they have like the coconut flavor. That's what the hell this smells like. Oh, I want icy now, but Tiki Colada is by the brand 719 Walnut Avenue. And this one, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of this, but it smells just like a sangria. Minus the alcohol, obviously. But it's like that fruity flavor. But if you want these candles, whoops. If you guys want to check out these candles, go to your local Walmart and check by the fragrances, not like perfume, but like the air fresheners and stuff like that. They have this right over there by that section. This next thing is going to be the most random thing that you've ever seen in a favorites video, probably ever. It's rechargeable batteries. I got this from Amazon Basics. This is the like charger. And then these packs of batteries. Now, here's the thing. The batteries are a little bit expensive. I think for this, it was $20. But you get almost like endless charges. So the only type of batteries that I use are rechargeable batteries. When it dies, you just charge it. So even though this was $20, this will last me years and years and years and years, and I won't never have to buy new batteries. They also have AA, obviously. So I got some AAA and some AA, and I use this for everything. I just want to say, if you guys are not using rechargeable batteries, to get your life together. Save so much money in the long run, and it's just the best thing ever. It's so convenient, so easy. You don't ever have to worry about like having to run out and get batteries, because if something dies, you just charge it and it only takes a couple hours. Bam, fresh new batteries. I'll have the links for everything down below if I can find it. Check out these batteries and everything else down below. I do actually have quite a few beauty things this time. This is also random, but I tried a new subscription service for my razors, and this is like the prettiest thing ever. Like, look how pretty it is. It's from Dollar Shave Club, and it was only $9, I think, for like the original packet, and then they're gonna only charge me $9 a month. Now, if you guys are like me, I literally shave almost probably every day, maybe like every other day, and razors in the store are freaking expensive. You guys know, especially if you're a woman. I think like for a pack of 4 it's like $15. So for a pack of 4 from here, it's $9, and it just comes in the mail every month. So that's super convenient. I was kind of nervous to try because it's not really marketed for men or women, even though it looks like a men's razor. It kind of feels like a men's razor too. It's not as good as the one that I was using before, just because the moisture strip isn't as like jelly. I don't know what razors you guys use, but mine was like that. So it took a little bit getting used to, but I definitely like it, and the look of it is really nice, and it actually feels nice and sturdy and heavy. So I would definitely suggest you guys check this out. Subscription services are the best thing ever. The next thing is this. I've been loving this. It's a peel off mask, tea tree oil. I got this from Walmart and it was under $2, and you just peel it off of your skin and it just feels like tingly, and you can definitely feel it cleaning. It takes a few minutes to dry. The only thing is, do not get it wet anywhere because it will mess up everything. Like I had it on my face and like a few patches didn't peel off, so I tried to use water and it just made a big mess. But I would definitely suggest that you get this. It's by the Face Mask, and they have a whole bunch of these kind of very inexpensive face masks for you guys to try out. So I would definitely do that. I've been loving face masks lately, and this is one of my new favorites. I had another one of these in my favorites. I figured I'd just throw it in here again. It smells super good. It's definitely like spring summery. I don't know, I like light fragrances. That's why I always stick with like these body spray mists instead, but it's Coconut Fantasy by Body Fantasies, and once again this was like $2. Super cheap, but it smells very good. I've also talked about this before, but I got a different set, and this is like a new one because it has gentle exfoliation in it. It has like the littlest tiniest beads. This smells more florally than I would like, but it's the Nivea In Shower Body Lotion Radiant Silk 24-hour moisture. This is definitely good for me. I very much try to moisturize my skin. So in the shower, I do this. Out the shower, I put coconut oil. After that dries, I put shea butter all over myself. So I'm really about that not being ashy life. So this is definitely a favorite of mine. You guys should check out these Nivea In Shower Body Lotions. And this one is very good because it has that extra exfoliation in it. So when I don't feel like doing my exfoliation brush all over, which is what I usually do, I will use this instead and skip a step. I have a review for this on the way, but it's a hair straightener brush, and that's how I got my hair straight. This was the first step, and it saved me so much time. So yeah, it just looks like this. It heats up to 450 and it gets super hot super quick, and I really enjoyed this on my hair. It saved a lot of time for me, so I'll definitely have this link down below and you guys should check it out. I like it a lot. Very convenient. I've been using this for a while now. It's the Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel. This is like by the Spanish hair section, and this works so well, especially for like making this like sleek and smooth. The baby hairs, get it on fleek and stuff. It lasts a long time. Like, you know, with some other gels, like you get that like separation in your hair if you put too much gel. That doesn't happen with this one. This one does leave a little bit of white flakes after a few days of you having your baby hair sleeked or whatever, but it like gets reactivated when you put water on it. So I like it a lot, and it comes in like a tube, but I like it better in this because I can just dip the toothbrush in there. You guys know you gotta be ratchet and use that toothbrush. So this works very well, and I like this. This is like one of my favorite like gels for sleeking down my edges. I only have a few more things, and the rest of them are beauty products. This is my first time using a matte like spray. I have these little hairs right here coming out of my braid, and that's making me so irritated. Hold on a second. I actually haven't used this today, so I'm doing it right now. I don't know if it really has done what it advertises. Kind of got in my mouth a little bit, but it's a matte sheer envy hard candy setting spray. Let me know what setting spray you guys like. I'm very cheap and I don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup, so keep that in mind. Maybe something affordable would be good, but this is supposed to be 12-hour long wear and hydration mattifying setting spray. It's worked okay. I feel like it definitely helped a little bit because I get super oily like in my T-zone. Well, this is actually T-zone, and on my cheeks. So I've been liking this. It's pretty good. I don't really have much to compare it to, so that's why I want you guys to leave me some suggestions down below. I don't know if setting sprays actually work or if it's just a scam. I don't know. And then the last thing, well, second to last thing that I have in here is this CoverGirl Clump Crusher Extensions Mascara. I was in Walmart struggling because there's so many damn mascaras, and I was like, I don't know which one to get. So I just grabbed this one, and I ended up liking it a lot. It definitely lengthens your eyelashes. I don't know if you guys could tell. I don't have the longest eyelashes, so I think that this does a very good job. And the brush just looks like this. It's like got a curved applicator, and I think it does a really good job. I need a new mascara because my old one dried out, so this is the one that I went with, and I like the color, random, but it does a very good job, and I would definitely suggest this. I feel like I have like no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to makeup. I'm very basic. Today I actually decided to do eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can really tell. A little bit of highlight. I do the absolute least when it comes to makeup usually. The next thing I got was this e.l.f. lip gloss. I was looking for a lip gloss. I don't know about you guys, but I like my lip gloss a little bit sticky because I feel like it lasts a lot longer like that. This is not exactly what I was looking for, but I ended up liking it a lot that I bought 2 of them. But it's lip plumping, and you guys can see my lips are already plump. I don't think that this makes it plumper, but it does have like that tingly effect. But this is very moisturizing. I find that I don't have to apply it too often. Like it stays on for most of the day, so I definitely enjoy that. And this is in the color Champagne Glam, so that's a cute name. I can see why they called it that because it does look like champagne, but it's like sticky, and I don't know, it gets the job done, so I enjoy that. And like I said, I'm cheap, so this was only like a couple dollars because it's by e.l.f. Now I did want to talk about my favorite song of this month. It's Maroon 5's Wait with A Boogie with the Hoodie. And that is my song, y'all, so I'm gonna play it for y'all real quick. I'm sure you've heard it, but it's my jam right now. Begging you, wait, can you turn around? Wait. Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you show me peace? Cause I wanna be with you. Just wait. They always have the most boppy songs. Like, I just love how it's like so boppy and like melodic. That's my jam. And subscribe if you guys want to see more of my content. Turn on that bell. Give this video a thumbs up for more content. I'm gonna be pumping out videos, y'all. If you guys don't know, YouTube has cracked down and they are making it harder for small creators like myself to get paid here on YouTube, and I love this. I'm passionate about it. So if you guys can feel that through the screen, subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos all the way through to give your girl some boosts in her watch time. Anyways, you guys, I love you very much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.